In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome, step by step, so you can open your favorite websites faster right from your computer. This is a really simple trick, but it can save you time every single day, especially if you visit the same sites over and over again like YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, or any work website you use often. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to make sure you're using the Chrome browser because this shortcut method is built right into Chrome and works best there. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to create a shortcut for. For example, you might open YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, or any other website you want easy access to. Just wait a moment until the page fully loads because this makes sure Chrome saves the correct page when you create the shortcut. Now look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click on that menu to open Chrome's main options. This is where Chrome keeps a lot of useful tools and settings. After the menu opens, hover over the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. When you move your mouse over that option, a new submenu will appear. In that submenu, click Create Shortcut. This is the feature that lets you turn the website into a shortcut you can open more quickly later. Once you click Create Shortcut, a small window will pop up asking you to name it. Here you can type a custom name for the shortcut if you want. You can keep the website's original name or you can change it to something easier to recognize. For example, you could name it YouTube, Gmail, or even work website if it's a page you use for business or school. After you've entered the name you want, click Create. Chrome will now make the shortcut for you. Depending on your computer and settings, it may place the shortcut on your desktop, in your apps list, or create a quick launch style shortcut you can use right away. And that's it. You've successfully added a shortcut in Google Chrome. This is a great way to make browsing faster and more organized, especially if you like keeping your most important websites just one click away. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, browser tips, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.